Latin culture and traditions have a major presence throughout different parts of the world. Depending on the area of Latin America, these traditions may vary. Each country has their own traditions or version of certain traditions that they participate in. For example, Latinas in Peru have a tradition that includes hair braiding. Long braided hair represents much more than just a hairstyle. The braids signify the marital status of a Peruvian woman. 2 braids reveals that a woman in the tribe is married, while 1 or many braids means that she is single. Some Latin traditions may include religion. Catholicism is an important part of a Latina's woman's life and used as a guide for different areas of her life. Traditions also include celebrations such as quinceañeras, which is a celebration of a young Latina's passage from girlhood to womanhood. Other traditions that have been passed down from generation to generation may include beauty standards for Latinas. Latinas are expected to be curvy. Latinas are supposed to have a small waist, yet large hips and thick thighs. Lastly, gender roles are important in Latin tradition. For centuries, Latina women are told that they are responsible for serving men and that they must be obedient. These traditions play an important role in creating the identity of a Latina woman and determines the role Latinas have in society. Traditions and culture also determine the type of behavior Latinas display and may be responsible for some of the discrimination that some Latinas may face throughout their life.